Vladimir Putin gave his starkest warning yet over COVID-19, saying the situation is changing daily and not for the better. Addressing Russia's coronavirus task force, the president said the country doesn't have much to brag about and certainly can't relax. Russian officials are starting to acknowledge that the country's healthcare system is struggling with the virus, with Moscow hospitals already stretched thin and ambulances facing lengthy queues to drop off patients. Most of the country's cases have been centered on the capital, where there is a lockdown in place and a permit system is due to come into effect from Wednesday. But the virus is now spreading to many of Russia's far-flung regions, whose healthcare systems are much less able to cope with a high number of serious illnesses. President Putin has called on regional officials to help ensure that any healthcare and equipment shortages are addressed. He's also suggested that the military could become more involved in fighting coronavirus. The Ministry of Defense has already been involved in building a number of small medical facilities and helping to enforce isolation measures. Chapman, CGTN, Moscow.